Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about something we use every day to know the time. The clock. Are you ready? Let's get started. A clock tells us the time with the help of its two hands. Let's learn about them. The long hand shows the minutes. The short hand shows the hours. Isn't that simple? Let's see how this works. Look at this clock. The short hand is pointing to 10, so it's showing the hour. The long hand is pointing to 12, which tells us it's a clock. So, the time is 10 o'clock. Let's look at a few more clocks. This clock shows 3 o'clock because the short hand is on 3. The long hand is pointing to 12, which tells us it's a clock. The short hand is on 4, and the long hand is on 12. Here's another one, 12 o'clock. The short hand is on 12, and the long hand is also on 12. Great job! Let's quickly recap. The short hand tells us the hours. The long hand tells us the minutes. When the long hand is on 12, we say it's a clock. You did a fantastic job learning about clocks today. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to tell time using a clock. Try practicing with a clock at home and telling your family what time it is. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.